Alright guys, so a little bit of a different video today. I think most people have seen like John B and AP Bassin doing mystery tackle box unboxing videos, and I've always wanted to do one of those, you know, MTB challenges where they take the baits, basically try to catch bass on each bait in the box, but we can't get those in the UK, which is a shame really. But someone has come up with a British version, which is Lucky Tackle Box. So basically I'm going to do a Lucky Tackle Box challenge, but it's going to be a bit different from the mystery tackle box one because we don't have bass in this country. But yeah, we'll take a look at what's in the box first, and then I'll let you guys know what I'm going to do, because it's probably going to be a bit difficult. But yeah, we'll see how it goes anyway. See what's in here first, and then we'll I'll let you know. So guys, what is in the box? This is the, I think it's called the July box. I think they just have one every month. First thing, something I've never heard of. Scrounger jig. Walleye Fever by Lucky Strike. Yeah, it just looks like a jig head with like a plastic bill on the front, basically. Yeah, so basically it's got this plastic bill to put more action into your soft plastics, really. So yeah, pretty cool. Quite a big hook on those, but yeah, that's the first thing. Scrounger jig heads. Next thing in the box is a bunch of these shads, 3 colours, and there's 9 altogether. So yeah, Spro sticker. So I'm guessing those are Spro Komodo shads. So yeah, I guess that goes with them. They look about 10 centimetre, so yeah, not a bad size for perch, pike, whatever really. Next thing, probably the most expensive thing in the box. Little Spro jerkbait, 85mm, 10 gram. Pretty cool. It's like a little bleak. So yeah, be cool on the river, because this year there's loads of bleak in the river for some reason. So yeah, pretty cool. Next thing, something that I've actually been wanting to try. There's been a lot of people talking about how good these are for perch, but it's the Z-Man TDR, 2.75 inch, full pack of those, pretty cool. And then some little jig heads to match them. So yeah, not too bad. I did expect a bit more variety with these, to be honest. And there's a lot of business card in there as well, by the way. But yeah, I did expect a little bit more variety. Like maybe rather than 10 of the same shad, like, you know, 2 of 5 different shads or whatever. So yeah, not that much variety, but we'll try and make it work. It's going to be hard to do what I want to do anyway, because the challenge I have set myself today is to do a multi-species fishing challenge. The plan is to catch fish on every bait in the box. There's only 3, so that shouldn't be too difficult. But the plan is to catch 1 perch, 1 pike, 1 chub and 1 trout using just these baits in the box. So yeah, that might be quite hard to, I mean, the perch and the pike shouldn't be too hard, but chub and trout, it's yeah, I mean, I've come out first light, so it might not be too bad. And I know a few spots where I can hopefully get on some good chub. Trout might be a bit hit and miss with those, but yeah, we can see. I've got a full day to fish today. Starting on the canal. It's yeah, like I say, it's 5 in the morning. The sun's just popping up behind me over there somewhere, and yeah, let's get on it. Try to catch some perch and some pike from here, and then onto the river, chub and trout. Sounds good. So yeah, get rigged up and yeah. Right, so I'm going to start things off on the light rod with the Ned rig, I think it's called. Yeah. Super stretchy. Never used anything like this before, so yeah, it's going to be a bit weird for me, but we'll see how it goes. It's supposed to be really good anyway, so. And then my other rod, which is actually my vertical rod, but I thought it hadn't been used in a while, so I'd give it a little bit of use. Put this Sprue Ikiru Jake85 little jerkbait crankbait thing. Probably spend 20 minutes, half an hour at this first spot, and then move to somewhere else. But yeah, I just like this spot. I've seen a few big, never caught a big perch from here, but when I've been pike fishing, I've seen a few big ones following pike lures, so seemed a good place to start. Start with the Ned rig, and then I guess this starts probably the first Lucky Lure Box multi-species challenge. So 4 species, three different lures. Never fished with any of them. This one is something completely different to what I'm used to. I don't even know how to fish it, to be fair. I just presume you bang it along bottom. Oh my days, that's a huge perch that just followed it. Oh, what? Oh, that was at least 2 pounds. Right to the edge that followed it. Right, spot change. Not happy in this spot. Fish. Yes. There we go. First fish of the day on the jerkbait. Nice little perch. Feisty little perch. Just jerking that along the edge of this new spot. That's literally first cast in this new spot. And that's the first fish. And the first bait ticks off. It's a really warm fish though. Cool. Well, that definitely works. Yeah, and I had like 2 casts with this in the last spot as well, so yeah, that's pretty cool. There we go. Yes. Oh. That was lucky because that didn't even have a hook in its mouth. It was literally just had all this tail just in its mouth and it just dragged it up on that. But yeah, that's the first fish on this officially anyway. But been working it pretty slow on the bottom all the time because I kind of figured that's what it's meant for. And I just decided to fish it like a swim bait then, and that just came up and smashed it. So I think they are up in the water and chasing a bit this morning. So yeah, that's 2 baits ticked off it. Oh, another fish then. That were a good bite as well. That's what were I saying? 2 baits ticked off, 1 more to go. Now a few more casts down here with that because that were next bite after that last one, and that felt like a better fish. So go. Oh, it's off. No. That was a good fish as well, that. Fish, decent fish as well. Oh yes, I hope it's a pike. Whoa, what is this? On the Ned rig. Yeah, I'm guessing pike. First cast with the Ned rig at this side and bang, straight away. Ooh, decent sized bubbles off it. Oh, come on. This is definitely a pike, I think. Oh yeah, decent pike, decent pike, decent pike. Yep. I passed that sproul there over that spot, I don't know, 5 or 6 times, and then first time with this TDR straight away. Oh, that's a nice one. Maybe. Oh, what? I can't believe I just lost that. Man. Well, it bent the hook out, so even though I'm letting it run, but you know what pike are like. So that nearly was the first pike, and that were a nice pike as well. Absolutely nailed the leader. Like, it's just like a coiled mess now. But man, I was playing that light because I knew it had bent hook out, but yeah, still bent it. Oh well. There's one. Ah, yes. Smashed that then. Nice little perch. Boom. It's absolutely nailed that. Look at that. Awesome. Man, I'm so surprised at how well these baits work. It's like engorged, that. It's big old mouth on it. So yeah, pretty happy with this one. Definitely works. It's not something I'd normally would have bought anyway, so yeah, that's sweet. Well guys, that's spot number 1 done. Not too bad. A few perch, lost a few pike. Caught a fish on 2 of the lures out of 3, so that's not bad. Lost a fish on the Spro Komodo, which were annoying, and had a little perch bite its tail as well. But yeah, I think that one might be a struggle to get some on that, but we'll see. I'm off to get some fuel and then drop on the river, see if I can get some out of there, maybe some chub. It's like there's no trout in this stretch I'm off to now, but yeah, it's just like plenty of pike in it, so Seems a pretty safe place to try and catch a pike, and then I'll go to a local spot with some trout, and yeah, see how that goes. Right guys, made it to the trout spot. First bait, putting this jerk bait on. See how the trout like this. The flow's a bit slower than it normally is, to be honest, but yeah, hopefully we can catch some fish. Otherwise, I've got a backup river, but it's quite far away, so yeah, I'm hoping we can catch some here and yeah, save some time for catching pike later on. But yeah, we've got chub and trout to catch out of here, and then pike later on, hopefully. So we'll see how it goes. There's a fish bubbling over there, so. Whoa, Jesus Christ. That was a massive trout that just followed that. God, I hope you can see that on camera. Absolutely huge. Jeez-o. Looked like a massive barbel, to be honest, but it must have been a trout following this. God, that was a right fish. That was... Oh. Just as it got onto the shallow bar and started scraping, it just turned its head. Oh, trout on it. There's a trout behind it. Got him. Got him. Was that a perch? Oh, it's a perch. Well, saw that follow it out from under the tree, but a little perch. It's on a spoon. Just wanted to see if there was some small trout knocking about as well, but just managed to coax this little perch out instead. So at least I've had a fish out the river today. Fish. Oh, it's off. I took it on drop then. Felt like a decent little fish. Guessing that were a chub. Fish. There we go. Oh, I think it's a perch again. Nailed that when it was barely moving then. Sweet. Aye, with a perch a little bit bigger than last one. These lures do work really good though. God, you can fish them in like any way possible really, and they just catch fish. Cool. 2 perch. Not really wanting to catch perch, but at least I'm catching fish. There's a fish. It took a minute. What is that? Chub? Oh, it's perch again. Why is there so many perch today? Man. Smashed that then though. Fouled himself a bit. But... ooh, it's on a spinner. But yeah. So many perch. Usually maybe get 1 or 2. Like occasionally, but that's all it's been today. Hello, fish. Yes. Oh, chub. Finally. That was sweet. God, I just saw him ploughing behind that then. Absolutely nailed it. Whoa, steady old lad. There we go then, first chub of the day. Not on one of the lucky lure box lures, but anyway, I'm happy with that. It's sweet seeing that just follow up and just smash into it then. Absolutely mental. Fish behind it, fish on. Yes, there are two behind that then. What's this? Oh, another perch. Oh, a bit bigger. It's two in two casts then, chub and a perch. But yeah, it's cool seeing these fish just follow this spinner. So now I'm supposed to be doing that lucky lure box whatever, but this is too much fun at the minute. Again, oh my days, so many perch. That's 3 fish in 3 casts on a spinner. Cool, this one's been caught before as well. Mental that. Oh, that's a better fish. Is this a trout? I think this might be a trout. Or is it? Oh, it's another chub. Wow, he nailed it. Bit bigger than that last one. Straight in the current that. But yeah, nice juice. Whoa, steady old lad. Nice feisty chub. Oh, it's done a poo. Whoa. Anyway, get him put back. God, this spot's a gold mine. Is that 2 chub, 3 perch in about 4 minutes? There's one. Oh my days. Such a good hit. Whoa, frig me, that's a trout. Oh, that hit like a ton of bricks then. Holy, absolutely smashed it. Oh, that's a beauty. That's a beauty. Oh, was not expecting that then. Absolutely just nailed this spinner. Oh, he's in the net, he's in the net. Whoa, what a beast. That is a nice brown trout. Oh, a couple of pounds. It's a nice fish, that. Very nice. Right, get that bad boy unhooked. Get him put back. Nice and lightly hooked, that. Oh, such a beautiful fish. I love brown trout. So nice. Off he goes. Not the most graceful release, but yes, I'm happy. That's the main reason I trekked all the way down here, to get a nice trout. Fish. There we go. Oh, he's off. Whoa. Oh no, it's not. Oh no, it's not. And it's a chub as well. Yes, that did not take long. Boom. Beauty. That's second species on the what do we call it? Lucky lure box baits. Nice little chub on the. Oh, it's pooed on me again. That's the second chub to poo on me today. And a little spro jerkbait, pretty sweet. Cool. That hit that so hard, and size of that chub compared to that trout, it were maybe half the size. So definitely get a trout on this bait. Is that the river? Please tell me that's the river. Nice to be back on solid ground after a steady hike through Vietnam. Whoa, boy, that's a trout. Holy, did you see that hit? That was mental. As soon as that smashed, like, yeah, literally as soon as it hit the water, that just nailed it. That's sweet. Oh man, that's second cast in this peg, I think. This might be a chub. Wait, how easy it's coming in. I hope it's a trout though. Oh, it's a big old chub. Whoa, that's a pig. Oh, that's awesome. I love this jerkbait now. God, spat it out in the net as well. It's a 2 or 3 pound. Oh, such a strong fish. Boom, off he goes. Whoa, I'm so happy with that. I mean, would have preferred a big old trout, but a big chub's decent enough. That jerkbait's just smashing it today. 2 chub, perch. Man, I thought that were a trout. Weight just shot it out of the water then. It's such a good hit. I hope I was facing towards that when it took, because that were awesome. So good. Just smashed it straight out of the water. Fish. That's a good fish as well. What is it? Oh, it's a pike. No way. No way, no way, no way. Oh, I need to land this. As if I just got a pike in here. Yes. What? It's a small pike, but it is a pike. Oh my days. I didn't actually realise there any pike in this little stretch here, but that proved me wrong, that little guy. And that is 3 fish out of 4, so I literally just need to catch a trout now. Okay, unhooked. He's ready to go. There we go. Species number 3. And all 3 species have been on this jerkbait. I have had some perch on the Ned rig, but yeah, that's such a surprise. Never seen a pike in this stretch before. Fish, that's a fish. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, no. Oh, that was a perch on the scrounger and it got off. Man, I just wanted to rip it over that fast walk because I knew that was going to be a challenge to get it back over. Man. Man, that was going to be it. That was going to be it. Well guys, onto my last GoPro battery now for this session. So if I don't catch a trout within an hour, I'll have to go home, charge some batteries and then head out again, try and catch a trout and finish this video off. Yeah, this is not the best river for trout, but it's local. So yeah, if I don't get one here, I'll head to a different river after I've charged some batteries and see how we get on there. But yeah, I still feel pretty confident, to be fair. I mean, I've had one trout from here today, and usually on this river it's all or nothing. They're either feeding or they're not. So yeah, hopefully there's some more feeding up and down. I mean, the chub are definitely feeding today anyway, so I'm just gonna have a try with the spinner for a second just to see, because I've gone over this area with the jerkbait anyway. So oh Jesus, there's just a big pike sat there. See that swirl? God, another pike. That's mental. Oh, that was a trout. I missed it. Well, I thought it hit it, but missed the hooks. Oh, again. Oh my days. Did you see that? That same snag again. Oh, not safe at this time. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a decent fish as well. Oh man, first cast with the spoon. Is that it still on? Or is it just swimming towards me? Man, smashed it. Oh, it's a big old chub. I can't believe that. I can't believe that's a chub. I just missed about 4 trout and then I just get this big old chub first cast with a spoon. That's so cool. That's another little 2-pounder. Sweet. Out. It's awesome fish, that. Yeah. Was not expecting that to be a chub then. I thought it was a big old brownie. That's another chub. That's about 6 chub today then. Oh, good fish. Oh my god, this is a really good fish. Whoa. That just destroyed it. What is this? Oh, is that a pike? Oh, it's a pike. Yeah, it's a pike. Sheesh. Did not expect that. Again, second pike out of this section when I've never seen one before today, really. And then this is the third one I've seen, so pretty cool. On the spoon. God, I thought this was going to be a huge chub. Steady up, lad. I'm trying to get to you, but you're just going down street. At least it's nice aerated water for him. Boom, got him. Nicely hooked in that top lip. Just get... kind of awkward actually. Okay, get the hook out. Lovely pike. And he's released himself. God, that absolutely thumps this, then I thought it was going to be like a £7 chub. Right guys, so finally back from the first session with the Lucky Lure box. Pretty long session, to be honest, about 9 hours fishing. Fished from about 5:30 till 2:30, so yeah, 9 hours. It's been really sunny, no wind, so I thought it'd be hard fishing, but I did catch plenty of fish. I'd say I caught about 20 fish, so pretty sick session, to be honest. Really enjoyed it. Happy with these. Z-Man turd rigs, finesse turd, 2.75 inch, sick perch lure, and pike, big pike like them as well apparently. So yeah, they're awesome. The jerk bait, that was awesome too. Caught, you know, big chub, perch, pike on it. So what more could you ask for? I didn't catch any trout, but I might be heading out to catch some trout in another session later. So if I do, that'll be in the end of this video. But yeah, moving on to these. I mean, they're all right. I did get a pike on one that got off, and a perch, but with the jig heads that are supplied, I don't know. I don't really like the movement of them. I think the plastic's a little bit, I don't know, a little tiny bit too hard. Not much, just a tiny bit. And the paddle could do with being a little bit bigger, but you know, they're decent. They'd be decent for zander or big perch, but I don't really know how to catch big perch, so yeah, they're no good to me. But yeah, before someone says, I'm not actually, I did buy this and didn't get it for free. A lot of people think I get everything for free, but no, I bought this, 25 quid. Quite expensive, but yeah, decent session. I enjoyed it. So yeah, what I would prefer though is if, rather than having, you know, 10 of those, 8 of those, and then a hard bait, I'd rather have 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of others, you know, like 5 or 6 different styles of lures, but just a couple of each. So you've got more variety, and then whatever you like, you can go out and buy. Like I like these, you can buy some more, but I don't need to because I've got a full pack. So yeah, if I had 2, I'd go buy some. But yeah, that's what I'd change about. What I'd prefer anyway. And also the variety in sizes of lures as well, because these, I don't know what size these are. These are about 3 inch. These are about 3 inch. Jerkbait were about 3 inch. So they're all about the same size, so I'd rather have a variety. Maybe some light, ultralights, medium, larger, you know, and then some lures for different scenarios, because you know, they're all for about fishing the same depth or style of water. So yeah, a bit of a more variety I prefer, but yeah, decent anyway. I got a good amount of fish, so I can't really complain. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video today anyway. Like I say, I might go out again to try catch some trout this afternoon, but I might not. So if I do, that'll be at the end of the video. But yeah, let me know if you like this type of video, and I'll do some other like challenge videos, because you know, I've been kind of not bored of fishing, but bored of making the same videos all the time. So it's nice to be able to go out and do a different style video every once in a while. So yeah, let me know if you liked this style of video, and I'll do some more like bait challenges or like rod challenges or whatever. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, catch you guys next time.